Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kotak Mahindra Bank credit card. First, activate your card immediately upon receipt to ensure secure usage. Understand your assigned credit limit to manage your spending responsibly and avoid exceeding it. Also, familiarize yourself with your billing cycle and payment due dates to maintain a healthy financial standing. This proactive approach helps you utilize your card effectively from day one, ensuring a smooth experience. To get the most from your card, earn reward points on eligible purchases, typically 1 point for every 150 rupees spent. These valuable points can be redeemed for exciting options such as cashback, gift vouchers, or even travel bookings. Always look out for exclusive offers and discounts that come with your Kotak card to maximize your savings and benefits. Keeping your card secure is paramount. Always protect your card details and PIN. Never share them with anyone, even if they claim to be from the bank. Regularly monitor your transaction history for any unauthorized activity. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately to the bank's 24-hour helpline to prevent fraudulent use and protect your finances. Responsible payment management is key to a good credit score. Always pay your credit card bill in full by the due date to avoid accruing interest charges. Consider setting up autopay for timely and hassle-free payments. Be aware of potential late payment fees, which can be around 700 rupees, and other associated charges to manage your finances wisely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.